However, the issues that high or low self-esteem brings creates an adaptive problem for people with low self-esteem more than people with high self-esteem. Lower self-esteem individuals and their partners reported lower satisfaction and commitment to their relationships than did higher self-esteem individuals and their partners. Again, lower self-esteem is all relative. I don't know if you already into the relationship with low self-esteem or low self-esteem came as a result of the relationship. Either way, you are exhibiting lower self-esteem for a reason. And that reason has a lot to do with the responsiveness of your mate. And if your mate is not responding to you, and we always use sex as a factor, how the person responds. Is it just a quickie or is it real true love making? And if it's not true love making, then we always internalize that it is something wrong with us. Not necessarily wrong with him, it is something wrong with us. And it's like this: if you did not want to make love to me, why even pursue a relationship with me? Keep the quickies on the sex market, on the dating market. But in marriage, there should be the setting of a goal to make love to your wife or make love to your husband. So then that's another one of those goals. Not only commitment, but also relationship satisfaction and what you are going to do to ensure that your partner is satisfied in the relationship and committed, of course. This suggests that becoming irreplaceable is aspirational, but it may not be productive. The preoccupation with fulfilling a partner's needs and becoming indispensable translates as being less productive in another area. In other contexts, such as academically, professionally, and personally, the goal to become irreplaceable is not long-term enough to be sufficient. It may not be worthy enough to be valuable, especially when people change their emotions with the wind. So that's an aspirational goal. It's not something that you can truly, bank on, because if a person is not happy with you in one area, then you try to solve that area, and then they come back at you again, right? And they're not happy in this area, and then you try to solve that area. It's nonsense. It's something going on with that person, not just with you. And so the more you try to change yourself to fulfill that person's needs, the more that you try to become irreplaceable, it's like grasping at the wind. You can't catch the wind, not with your hands at least. And so it's not productive because, like I said, you get off one track, a track where you are productive, you get off that and you get on another track to become irreplaceable, and you are not really, productive in that area. So that means you are leaving your academic, your professional, and your personal areas unfulfilled, not completed.